Not forget. Mr. Rajinder Yadav, Mr. Anshul Tyagi, and all of us here. I did not tell Puneet, or probably forgot. When I speak, I charge a lot of money. My profession is to charge money for speaking. But here, I am here for a different purpose. All of you should be here, and I should be there. Why? I don't think there has been a more poor student in his academic career than me. I come from the best school in the country at that time, undoubtedly the best school. A school where discipline was so pragmatically and so strictly enforced. यादव साहब थोड़ा सा फोन छोड़ दीजिए, थोड़ा सा फोन छोड़िए. It was so strictly practiced that Sanjay Gandhi was rusty. Light on, rakhiye, please. Can I see the audience? Yes. I want to interact with you. Sanjay Gandhi was rusticated from that school, and in spite of the Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and Mrs. Indira Gandhi, Information Broadcasting Minister, requesting the principal, Brother Morrow, he was not taken back. So they went to Door School, and Mr. Rajiv Gandhi also went there. I come from that school where the son of the Prime Minister, then Prime Minister, Mr. Lal Bahadur Shastri, was my class fellow. He was punished. And when he was punished, he had no money, the school bus had gone. He had to walk back from the school to 10 Janpath. I lent him, in those days there used to be a yellow colored Dawane. I lent him those 2 annas, and that is how he reached home. And when he did not return that, Auntie Lalita, Mrs. Lal Bahadur Shastri, the school we used to address her, she scolded him for not returning the 2 annas. Those were the morals 65 years back, 60 years back. Today, if you touch, I have inherited from my father governing councilship and membership of 240 schools of the country. But today, if a teacher says something to the child, the parents come running. I beg you, I beseech you, I cajole you, I entreat you, I want to touch your feet and beg you, never ever do that. Unless you allow the teacher the right to correct the misdemeanor of your child, the child will never ever develop into a personality. Mr. B.L. Bajaj sir and Mrs. Usha Bajaj and Mr. Yadav and Mr. Anshul Tyagi ji, allow me to share one small personal incident with you. One day, because our school was, St. Columbus was on this side and Convent Jesus Mary was on the other side. My friend's sister was walking from there. She used to come and take the school bus from Columbus side. I was playing with a rubber band and by mistake it hit her. She said, ouch. And I do not know from where our principal, an Irish teacher, Brother Morrow, heard that. He said, you shall be punished. I said, sir, please punish me now. He said, no, tomorrow. And the next day, I tried every excuse to convince my parents not to go to the school. But nothing. I was there. When I entered, got out of the bus, I was taken to the office. I still remember the names of the officers, Mr. Samuel and Mr. Nazareth. The whole school was lined up, the junior school and the senior school. And I was taken there. And what do I see? My father coming to the school. I thought he would save me. My father was the chairman of the governing council of all the senior Cambridge schools at that time. I'm talking of 1953, 50, he became in 48. I'm talking of 53, 54, maybe 55, 54, 55. My father did not save me. He did not nod at the principal. And before the whole school, Yadav ji, let me tell you today, I was taken 3 PTIs, I still remember the names, 65 years ago. Mr. Philip, Mr. Huckle, Mr. Lockwood, and Chabuk. I was given 6 years, 6 years, and 6 years. Those 18 canes changed my life. I never begrudged my father in spite of being the chairman of the governing council of the senior Cambridge schools, which was a very big thing in those days. Our papers went to Cambridge, England, for being corrected. That changed my life. Today, as I stand before you with a bowed head, if you want your child to become exceptional, Baudi, you must allow the teacher the right to correct him. There should be no nonsensical interference. Why have you scolded my child? Why not? Maybe I'm outdated, I'm orthodox, but somewhere down the line there has to be a balance. I've taken up your time. I do not want to make the children wait. I'm sorry if I've taken a stand contrary to what you think, that parents have a right to interfere. No teacher should chide or scold or reprimand a child. That is my view. Don't throw it in the dustbin without applying it. Puneet yesterday spoke to me and he said, I talked to him about something. He said, things have changed. We do not have perfect grammatical construction of sentences. I said, yes. His words were, कुछ मनवाएंगे, कुछ मानेंगे. That's the balance essence of life. और सारी स्कूल में केमिस्ट्री तो कभी आई नहीं मुझे. सिर्फ एक चीज वो विबक्योर था, वायलेट, इंडिगो, ब्लू, ग्रीन, येलो, ऑरेंज, जेड, ये आता था, उन्होंने वो बोल दिया. मेरे से नालायक कोई स्टूडेंट कभी हुआ नहीं किसी स्कूल में. मेरे से नालायक कोई स्टूडेंट कभी कॉलेज में हुआ नहीं. कभी ग्रेजुएशन में, एमफिल में, कई यूनिवर्सिटी में अगर मैं कुछ कर पाया तो सिर्फ इसलिए कर पाया कि मेरे माताजी पिताजी ने कभी मेरी साइड नहीं ली. उन्होंने टीचर्स की साइड ली, प्रिंसिपल्स की साइड ली, और उन्होंने देखा कि भाई वो अगर उन टीचर ने कहा है तो ये है. अगर आप मेरे को सर 2 मिनट का टाइम और दें तो मैं कुछ बात कर सकता हूँ. और 2 मिनट. आपको पता कि डिसलेक्सिया एक मैं देखती हूँ. आई सेड नो, आप देखेंगे नहीं, आप पता करेंगी. व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ फादर आर यू? आई सेड नो. मैंने पता किया, 2-3 बार उसको मारा टीचर ने. बाद में पता लगा कि वो टीचर ये कहती थी कि जब मैं ब्लैक बोर्ड पे होमवर्क लिख रही हूँ, ये इतना स्लो लिखती है, इतना लेट लिखती है कि इस पे मेरी बस मिस हो जाती है और मेरी सारी तनख्वाह ऑटो में, स्कूटर में जाने में लग जाएगी. रियलिटी. अब मिस्टर एस एल धवन बड़े नामी प्रिंसिपल थे डीपीएस मथुरा के उस टाइम. उनसे बात की तो नाराजगी जताने की जगह पता किया कि क्यों स्लो लिखती है. डॉक्टरों के पास गए, तब पहली बार पता लगा कि एक कमजोरी होती है जिसको कहते हैं डिसलेक्सिया. दिमाग बहुत तेज होता है पर ठीक नहीं लिख सकते हैं, स्लो लिखते हैं. पेरेंट्स सोचते हैं कि भाई बच्चा नालायक नहीं है. सोचो उसकी प्रॉब्लम क्या है. एम्स गए, डॉक्टर्स के पास गए, पता लगा डिसलेक्सिक है. उसको बिना बताए ट्रीटमेंट कराई, ठीक हुई. आज वही लड़की दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल मथुरा रोड में काउंसलर है और शायद उसने हजारों ऐसी प्रॉब्लम्स के वो किया. और मेरे को नाराजगी होने की जगह नहीं. मेरे को एक जिंदगी में 2 चीज़ों का फख्र है. एक ये और एक कैंसर के लिए कुछ किया मैंने लॉ में. मैंने लॉ चेंज करवा दिया. लॉ चेंज करवा दिया। अगर बच्चा डिसलेक्सिक है तो पहली से 9वीं तक 9 तक वो फेल नहीं हो सकता, और 10th में उसको आधा घंटा एक्स्ट्रा मिलता है विद द राइटर ऑफ द सेम क्लास। 11वीं में फेल नहीं हो सकता और 12वीं में उसको फिर मिलता है। डिसलेक्सिया का लॉ चेंज कराया मैंने, एक हाई कोर्ट के बहुत नामी वकील साहब थे, उनके पोतों का, मॉडर्न स्कूल में। तो यहां मेरा आने का मकसद सिर्फ आपसे शेयर करने का था कि आप अपने बच्चों को जहां लेके जा रहे हैं, आपने उनका भविष्य बनाना है। आप उनको किस तरीके से लाते हैं, स्कूल तो करेगा। बजाज साहब, मिस्टर BL बजाज और मिस्टर उषा बजाज, मिस्टर पुनीत एंड मिस्टर पुनीत, मिस्टर यादव और मिस्टर अंशुल त्यागी, मैंने ब्रिलियंट। पर आपने भी देखना, जो इतने एवेन्यूज खुल गए हैं, आपने उसको देखना है। बाबू जी, आप मेरे से सहमत है कि नहीं है? अगर मेरे से कोई गलती हो गई मैं क्षमा चाहता हूं। नहीं, पर आपके पोते पोती नाते नाती जब आएंगे, आपका नाम रोशन करेंगे, तो आपकी दी हुई शिक्षा को देंगे ना, आपकी दी होगी। एनीबडी जो मेरे से अग्री नहीं करता, एनीबडी मेरे ख्यालों से नाराज हो, थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग टाइम। मिस्टर BL बजाज सर, आई एम वेरी वेरी इंडेटेड टू यू। मिस उषा बजाज, आई एम वेरी वेरी इंडेटेड टू यू। I would, if you permit me, I want to say something. आप 1 मिनट इधर आ जाइए। Sorry for taking up your time. Do you agree with me? I see your young parents, you know, the whole future of your children, you know. I came into contact with Mr. and Mrs. Bajaj in the year 1991 through Mr. Manu Jagbon, the Secretary General of Balkanji Bari International. This is India's oldest NGO. It was founded in 1923 and registered in 1926. And all the principals that we have honored, they have received Padma Shri or Padma Bhushan or President's Award, national awards. Mr. BL Bajaj, without the backing and the soul and spirit of Mrs. Usha Bajaj, could not have attained the status of Puja Convent School, what it is, and then Puneet could not have gone on there. On this August occasion, I would like to announce that we are going to be honoring Mr. BL Bajaj for his exemplary, stupendous, outstanding service to the cause of education, first to Puja Convent and now to Kids Castle Schools and their franchises. The award shall carry the nomenclature of Distinguished Academician and Outstanding Administrator. That, ladies and gentlemen, he is the star of the show, and he cannot be the star of the show without her permission. अभी Women's National International Day तो अभी हुआ है ना, अभी असर है उसका। Please give them a big hand. They're the star of the show. Mr. Yadav and Mr. Tyagi, why don't you join us for a minute? Under you in Balkanji Bari International, please forgive me for all the times that I did not conform up to your very high standards. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. This deserves a standing ovation for Mr. Bajaj.
We will request Mr. Anshul and Mr. Ravinder to present a shawl.
They will be presenting a token of respect to Mr. Jaggi. Everybody there, only Mr. Jaggi. Are giving them a token of respect. I will take this opportunity to announce that we will be having our little kids on the stage now. They are coming for their appreciation, for their little trophies that they are going to get for their performance. In a while, we will have on stage little kids, Arav, Yakshit, Pratyush, Angad, Jivyansh, Vijay Prakash, Sukrit,
Thank you. नहीं सर आपके पास
Nivesha, thank you ma'am and thank you sir. I am calling out our little tots who are coming for their little trophies. Let's have on stage the little